All right guys, back with another video on 3rd gen. Obviously last video was headlights. This video we're getting into Morimoto fog lights. So we went with the Alpha Rex headlights, Morimoto fogs. Focus. So obviously the black housing, I'll rip the plastic off once I get these on the truck with an LED projector. Obviously what's in the truck right now is a halogen bulb, and obviously should be very yellowish and not nearly the same light output, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the factory one looks like on the garage door. That always kind of shows the best light output, and then show you with one of these versus the other one. And it should be a pretty quick install, no more than like 20 minutes. So show you what the factory ones are. Factory fogs, like I said, just have a halogen bulb in them. Light output on the garage door, very yellowish. Turn the headlights on a second, Jake. So turn them back off. So you can see, hopefully we're gonna get that same crisp white out of the Morimoto fogs, but that's what the factories look like. So let's get one of these out. All right guys, so just finished up. Showed you on the time lapse on the install. It was super easy. 3 bolts. But anyway, gonna pop fogs on, and obviously trying to chase that white. So that's fog only on this side, and that is factory. So minus the width of how much it spans on its own. Like you can see it goes all the way over here versus a very concentrated little circle on the factory side. So I would say that that's gonna be a substantial difference when we get both in. So this is what they look like. This is what this one looks like. And again, factory trash. All right guys, so finished up with headlight install on both. Obviously it's gonna be a very short video, maybe 3 minutes. Absolutely zero complaints with the Morimoto fogs. Everything bolted up correctly, no issues at all. The light output on the garage door that we showed, how much wider the span is a night and day difference. And honestly, for price point, it's not bad, not compared to the headlights at least. So 10 out of 10, zero complaints at all. I don't know that there is an actual better fog light on the market for a 3rd gen anyway. So no complaints. Everything came as it should, came fast, and yeah. So until next time guys, support those who support you. Peace.